Okay, this is New York Times Hard Sudoku puzzle for January 20. And we see one is here. Ones are flat and ones are vertical. Okay, ones are also flat up here too. So we'll put it in 3 cells, right? 3 cells over here. 4 cells here, but it doesn't quite give us much, right? We do know, I just want to mark it before I forget. 8's are vertical here. So 8's are vertical like this, okay. But 2, anything else about 2? I don't know, 3. 2 cells, right? 3 cells. 4. 4 is vertical like this. Okay, it's the same as 3. That's a matching pair. And 4s are also in 3 cells like this. Over here, 4 is in 4 cells. Could come in handy. 5. Well, I'm not even sure. 5, I'm not quite sure where 5 would go. We'll come back to it. 6. The 6 I see can only be in this cell, right? So 6 is a flat over here and 3 cells over here, right? And 2 cells over here. 7. Okay, well actually this is 7. So 6 is actually flat, so 6's have to be like this. Now in this box, 7 of course is vertical, and that makes it a matching pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. Over here, 7's are only in these 2 cells, right? Now because this is 7, 8, 7, 8, we need a matching pair here, so we know 3 and then 5. 3, 5, 3, 5. And then in this box, we also need 2, right? So 2 is the same as 6. This is 2, 6, 2, 6. So looking across, this cannot be 2. 2's are flat. Okay, fine. The last digit in this box is 9. So we have 9's that are vertical. Okay. So, so this cell cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be 5. It cannot be 6, 7, 8. But I think it can be 9 as well. We'll come back to this. So let me just check 8's real quick. So we already know 8's here. On the right side. 8's over here though. This is 8. Okay, so 8's are vertical like this. Over here 8 is vertical and vertical, right? Let's just check 9. I'm just checking this cell. So what do we need in this column? We need 5, which can be here. Obviously this is 4 or 5. 5 can be here and here. 4 can be here. And the other digit in this column is 9, but 9 cannot be here and cannot be here. So this is 9, this is 5, this is 4, 3, 5, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see. In this box over here, so obviously we need 5. Which is in 3 cells, and then we need 9, which is, unfortunately, I don't quite see how it's restricted at all. Okay, just checking this box. Yeah, we don't quite know exactly how this box is arranged. Let me just check this cell right here. So this cell cannot be 2, 3, 4. could be 5 again, though. Cannot be 6, 7, 8. Yeah, but it could be 9. Okay. Very curious, very curious. This cell... So first of all, 3's over here are vertical, like this, right? And 4's are vertical, like this. Okay. Here we still don't know. Okay, wait. This is not 9. This is 9. So the 3 cells here, one of them is 2. The other one is 3, right? Okay, so now we know. Well, let me just enter 5 here, which is 3 cells. Okay, fine. But we know 3's are occupying these rows, right? So only this cell can be 3 in this box. And therefore, this is 1, 8, 1, 8. And the remaining magic pair, so we need 2. Okay, 2's are vertical. So this cannot be 2. So only this cell can be 2. Okay, and the other digit here we need is 4. 4, 4. So these are not 4's. 4's can only be like this, right? Now this is 5, 9, 5, 9. So obviously this is 3, 7, 3, 7. This is 7. This is 3. Okay, so looking across, these can be 3's down here. This 7 just means this cell is not 7. And in general, 7's are only in 2 cells in this box. What about 5 in this column? Okay, and then 9, just like 4. So 5's cannot go here. This is 5. Okay. So let me just enter the digits here. So 7's in this row could be here, here, right? And then we need 2, which cannot be here. Cannot be here. 2 can only be here in this row. So we have 7, 8, 7, 8. This cannot be 2. Now in this row, these cannot be 2's. This cannot be. Only this cell can be 2. Now we know this cell has to be 8. Okay, now we know this cannot be 8. This is 8. This has to be 3. This is 7. This is 4. This is 6. And this is 5. So only this cell can be 5. And this is, of course, 9 and 4. Okay, this cannot be 2. So the last digit we need here is 9. So 9's can be here and here, but this cell can only be 7. Okay, so this is 7. I guess 7's can be here and here as well. No, wait a minute. Just looking at 7. 7's a vertical, right? Okay, 7's a vertical. Fine. So let me see here. We not thought surely we entered something helpful for 2, but I guess not. So okay, so this is not 5, but at least we know that. Okay, so in this column we need 1, which can be here and here, and then we also need 9. Well, 9's cannot go anywhere here. This has to be 9 in this column. Okay, so this is 5. 9, 5. Okay, so this becomes 1, 4, 1, 4 matching pair. So 3 we already know. 5 in this box actually is just like 3. There's no room for 6 here. So 6 can only go in this cell. This is clearly 8. This is 7. So this is 8. This is 7. Okay, and so this is 1. This is 8. 4, 1. 2, 4. Okay, so this cannot be 2. And let's see, what did I just miss? Okay, this is 1, 9. I forgot to unwind those at the top. Okay, now this cell cannot be 5, and this cannot be 6. Okay. Okay, so get rid of 3s, 5, 2, 3, and 5. Okay.